Power analysis. The Dewesoft power analyzer is a high sophisticated power analyzer, as you see also in this short data file of a EV wheel drive test. On the one side we capture the voltages and currents and do the high accurate power analysis. But in addition we also measure mechanical data like vibration, sound level, GPS data, velocity, video data, everything completely synchronous, and have all data synchronized in our data file. How this is done, I want to show you now in this power analysis demo. Power will be measured from low power appliances up to really high power appliances like at wind power plants or in the transportation sector. And for these applications we need a power analyzer with certain requirements. On the one side we need high sampling rate, highest accuracy, isolated inputs, and also a certain measurement range to fulfill these requirements. With the Dewesoft Series Power Analyzer we have a sampling rate of 1 megasample per second per channel, completely synchronous. We have a basic accuracy of 0.03%. We have isolated and safe inputs for voltage and currents measurement. So it's category 2 1000 volt, category 3 600 volts, and the measurement range is up to 1600 volts DC. For the current measurement we basically can connect any kind of current transducer. Is it an iron core clamp, AC/DC clamp, isolated transducer, Rogowski coil or shunt. All of them can be connected directly to the instrument and also get the power supply, the excitation out of the instrument. And for higher accurate, more sophisticated current transducer like flux gate current clamps or the zero flux transducers, what you see here, we have an additional power supply unit. Let's do a simple power measurement. On our series instrument we now connected this light bulb box, so we measure the voltage on channel 1, we measure the current on channel 8. You see the system configuration also here. And now let's switch to the software. In Dewesoft, after configuration of our analog input settings where we configure our voltage and our current, we switch to the power module. In the power module we can define our power system configuration, in our case a single phase measurement at line frequency 50 Hz and at a nominal voltage of 230 volts. In the power module then you can define in this area which channels you want to calculate, like active power, reactive power, apparent power, power factor, the RMS values, energy, power quality parameters like harmonics, interharmonics, DHD or imbalance. And after the selections we simply go to measure, and in measure mode we already will nicely see our voltage waveform. And as soon as we connect our light bulb we see the nice sinusoidal waveform of the voltage and also the nice sinusoidal waveform of the current. The power of this light bulb is around 38 watts, and you see it's a pure ohmic load. We don't have a phase shift here, and also we don't have any harmonic load. If we switch now to a energy saving light bulb, we see the waveform of the current is not sinusoidal anymore. We see there is a peak, then it's going back to zero. So this certain waveform of the current also generates a harmonic load. So we already see also a third, a fifth, a seventh, a ninth harmonic current. And we also see this light bulb has a phase shift of around 25 degrees. On the other side, the active power is reduced, so this light bulb has only 17 watt power consumption. Okay, let's switch once more to more modern light bulb, so a LED. And you see at this LED, the waveform is almost sinusoidal. It's still distorted, so we have a third and a fifth harmonic, but it's a lot better than the light-saving bulb. This simple demo measurement should show you the capabilities of the Dewesoft power module. So we have the scope, we have the raw data, we can store the raw data with up to 1 megasample. We have the vector scope with phase information. We have a recorder view here where we see the frequency changes, the power flow, and we have the FFT analysis here, so combination of multiple products. So like this simple power measurement we did at this light bulb, we can do actually any kind of system configuration. It can be a 3-phase star delta R1V connection, it can be a 2-phase connection, it can be DC power 1-phase connection, it can be even a multi-phase motor up to 12 phases. So the Dewesoft power analyzer actually can be used for any kind of system configuration.